So when our other laundry died that had pedestals, we replaced it with this. We love the tower, but now we have less storage. So here's how we're going to add more storage space in. So we went to Lowe's and bought this estate storage system because we really like it. So we also installed this estate storage system in my wife's craft room. As you can see, it holds a lot, and they have a lot of different matching cabinets. As you can see, we probably already need another one. The reason I like this cabinet system because it has this nice little board that you can put up first to hang it off of to get a good level. Here's our system all complete. We have an upper cabinet and a lower cabinet, and really is a good storage solution for a small space. My only complaint, the drawer doesn't roll real easy, but besides that, it's really a nice system. We really like it. Here's a look at how small this laundry space is in our house. We also have our hot water heater over here in this, and then we have our laundry center here. So we just need a little extra space for storage. And this is a great solution. Thanks so much for watching.